Hey ladies in professional fields, engineers, mathematicians, scientists, technology, doctors and lawyers. What if there was a way to move from the daily struggle of burnout and stress and time deficiency to find clarity, gain time, and quell the chaos in your life without compromising your career? Interested? You see, one of the biggest problems that women in professional and STEM, science, engineering, technology, and math professions face is the big lie that they must work harder and smarter than the men. They know that they are qualified, they know they are smart, but they don't know how to balance the demands of the job with family life. They don't have the clarity to find a way forward in their career. They don't have time freedom, and the chaos makes them feel like the world is crashing in around them. They desire a transformation in their lives. It can be very hard when you don't know how to do this because you don't have the confidence in industry. You don't know what things should be done to manage your career and your family. It starts to suffer. And when your family starts to suffer, all the fulfillment that you wanted when you started your career goes away, and you become overwhelmed and overworked, and you end up wasting energy and time spinning your wheels. That is why I created something I call the Grit and Grace Signature Program. It's a methodology or a set of steps that you can follow to gain clarity, regain your time, and quell the chaos in your life. My name is Leanne, and in addition to being a business owner for the last 20 plus years, I was an engineer. And as a recovering engineer, I had been figuring out how to help women in technical careers and professional careers live the life they desire for the last 18 months. I have helped women in these demanding careers lose weight, build a business, and figure out how to say no to the unimportant things so that they can say yes to themselves. So, Grit and Grace Signature Program. This methodology where you start by identifying your big motivating factor for shifting a less chaotic, more time-honored, and clearer life. And you may have tried other solutions in the past that didn't work, and there's a reason for that. You see, it's because you read books and there were no accountability steps keeping you in action. You will hear me say it over and over, but you can't hear an idea once or read an idea once and expect transformation. You need a tested and perfected methodology for that, and one that has been shown to work for many people. So I think you can see how Grit and Grace works, and I think you can see it working for you. Right below this video is a link to take you to my calendar. Click on that link and schedule a connection call for us to meet together. We will decide together if Grit and Grace is something that you could use to help you like it has helped these people. So you can see how my Grit and Grace Signature Program worked for those people, and I think it's time to get it to work for you. So once again, right below this video is a link that you can click on to schedule a connection call. It's going to provide you a direct access to my calendar, and you are going to meet right with me so that I can show you how Grit and Grace works, and we can decide together if it'll work for you. Because when you have a repeatable methodology that will allow you to grow, all the things that you've ever wanted when you started on this path will begin to open up. You're happier. You start making better decisions. You feel more confident in the way that you manage your time and family. You feel more confident in the way you perform your work. and you feel more fulfilled and balanced in the way that your life is working. I need you to realize that in 2019, you could have made the choice not to have a calm, peaceful life. But then 2020 happened, and we all know what happened. The world changed, and the game changed. And now there's a new work paradigm. In fact, you no longer have a choice. Work, family, and life are all blended together. And my Grit and Grace signature program is the methodology that is going to help you do that without having to live in a world of stress, and you will be able to prioritize your values. And you are not getting the life you want right now because you are being pulled in a million different directions in a minefield of stress and chaos. And now is the time for you to act if you want to de-stress and live your values. So this is your last chance. Right below this video, click on that link. Get on my calendar and meet with me directly so that we can explore this together. So Grit and Grace is a repeatable methodology that you can do every day, living your values and priorities. Thanks for taking the time to be with me here, and look forward to talking to you on a call.